One thing I wish churches knew about video, huh? This is gonna be a fun one. For those of you who do not know, when I'm not wearing my DIGI hat, I'm often editing or managing video projects. Video editing has always brought me a great deal of joy, and I'm honored to do it as part of my regular working hours. So what's one thing I wish churches knew about video? This is gonna sound kind of simple, but hang in there. Video is a communication tool, and it's one of the most effective ones out there. See, faith leaders are often very well versed in communication. Many of the ones we work with have gone to seminary and are trained in the art of preaching and teaching and caring for others. They like communication, they talk about communication, they like learning about communication. Well, video is one of the best ways you are ever going to digitally communicate with your people. Communicate your message, your story, your faith, your mission, whatever you want. If you want to do it effectively, choose video. I know this can be kind of overwhelming to hear if you're still not very comfortable in front of a camera or you're not used to managing, manipulating, or sharing video files. But think of it this way, you're not gonna be pouring hours and hours of time into emails and newsletters that no one's gonna read anyway. I'm not saying no one reads your emails, but probably less people do than would watch your videos. People will watch your videos. Can I say that? I just did. And you can easily repurpose your videos onto multiple platforms. If you spend time developing an epic teaching TikTok, repurpose it on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts and send it in an email, share it in a story, you are going to reach people big time. Did you record a sermon video? Now look at all of this content you have in video form that you can chop up into different bites of information to post in different platforms and get it out there even more. Shorter 20-second clips for short form video platforms, longer 2-minute chunks for Facebook and YouTube. You can even put some of these clips up there on your Google business profile. There is so much potential. And honestly, this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you want a more in-depth analysis on your digital communications, our Digital Communications Review course is now live. You can find more information about it in the description below and see if it's a good fit for you and your community. Speaking of below, comment below if you are using video in a unique way for your community. And be sure to subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful for you. Until next time, peace.